Hey guys, in this quick video, I'm going to talk about the Xiaomi robot vacuum H40 and what are the things you have to be kind of like aware of if you want to actually like use it. Primarily the reasons why you shouldn't use it. So first thing first, you have basic mopping function. It can mop, but only with a simple mop pad that neither rotates or vibrates. The water quantity from the integrated like 200 milliliter tank can be adjusted in 3 levels. So that's something to kind of like be aware of. Now, when we're gonna dive even further, for this, no mop self-cleaning or drying. A cleaning function and water tanks are missing from the base station. The mop pad must be cleaned by hand and the water tank filled manually. Also, no dedicated obstacle avoidance. So with this, you don't have the obstacle avoidance. So if you have children, if you have like stuff, it's not possible to do it because you're going to like ignore the obstacles, right? Because it doesn't say it. Now, there are no lasers or cameras in front of the like obstacle detection. Smaller water tank. That's another thing. Filter can get dirty quickly. And the automatic dust emptying means you don't need to worry too much about robust dust container, and that's a good thing because it's not easy to clean manually. So yeah, and you have only 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, so that's another thing to be aware of if you want to actually like use the product. So thank you very much guys for watching and have a great day and goodbye. That's pretty much it. Let me down below in the comments, because yes, it's going to serve this purpose. Strong suction power, like 10,000. I know it's not much, but it's going to do the work. Effective anti-tangle technology. Xiaomi ports for 5-stage technology: sweep, gather, comb, roll, and suction. Large self-emptying dust bag. Long battery life, like up to 180 minutes. Laser navigation you have there. Smart app features, so that's good, but still, you know.